What is up, guys? If you have been following my personal profile, you'll see that I've been having some back pain. So sometimes as we get older and we get fatter, things happen. And so today I'm having to unbox a product that I never thought I would have to at 45 years old. But here goes. What are we unboxing? I'm about to show you my super cool, super awesome cane. Stay tuned. You heard me right, guys. I am struggling to stay upright right now. Walking is tough for me. So I have ordered a cane. I didn't want one that made me look like I was 95 years old and, the new guy at the home. So I'll show you what I've got. All right, guys, right off the bat, I'll show you. This is the Viking walking stick. It's a solid oak shaft. It is made in the Ukraine by the Asterom family workshop. They have been in business a long time out of the Ukraine. They are still in business now, even with the war going on. And they have over 60 designs of canes and walking sticks. And these things are made like tanks, so they're gonna last you a long time. So super cool. I will say that they have all 5-star reviews, so I can't find a single negative review on this company. So let's get this thing opened up. Also, I want to point out that the total length of this cane is 36 inches. 36 inches is good for people that are from 5'10" to 6 foot. I'm 6 foot, so I'm going with that. You don't want a cane to be too high because then you're not putting your weight on it properly. So make sure you get the size for the height that you are. So you can see the rubber tip here. Everything is packaged very well. So you can see they don't want anything to get scratched up or damaged. So let's get that opened. So the shaft is absolutely beautiful, and you'll see this notch and you'll see how it's reinforced here. So you don't have to worry about this, but you'll see we're going to put some decorative pieces here, but the shaft is totally perfect. No dings, no dents, nothing. So that's pretty impressive coming all the way from the Ukraine. All right, guys, I'll go ahead and tell you that was not easy to get into. They definitely wanted to make sure that this did not, oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna try not to look at it. So this is gonna give you a little history since 2008. So here you go. You have hassle-free replacements if there's any damage or you have any issues. So they also have different styles, engravings, colors. So you can really customize here. So let's look at the important part, the reason you're here. Nope, that's not the reason you're here, but that little decorative piece is neat, and they give you an extra stopper. But here, first off, that is really comfortable. But look at that. Super cool. I mean, I had to have Thor, guys. I had to. So let me get this thing put together and we'll be back. So this is kind of neat, guys. This is a card that I just received, and it said, if you received this card, it means the product was made in Ukraine during the war. We greatly appreciate your purchase, especially in these tough times for Ukraine. Please share the information about our handmade items among your friends. It'll help make us stronger and help save jobs. So that is super cool, guys. But here's this decorative piece that we're gonna put around the tip of the cane. So let me get it all put together and I'll show you the product. And there's also instructions here about how to use a walking stick or a cane. And I do think that you should read them because you don't use this thing how you think you would. All right, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. How cool is Thor? The handle is shaped beautifully and it is super comfortable. So these canes range from $60 to $100 depending on the length and colors of wood. I think the collars on most of them are the same, but the heads are different. They have dragons, dire wolves, skulls, you name it. So definitely check out Asterom canes on Amazon. I'll leave a link to this one, and let me know what you think about my new cane. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I know this was a short one, but if you're looking for something to help you stay upright, this is a really nice piece, and you're helping out a family during wartime.